Hi, my name is Fiona Green. I'm a senior CX manager at KOHO Financial. Zingtree came highly recommended by my VP of user success when she first joined KOHO. She had high praise for it, but wanted to have me make my own endorsement of it, and it really solved all of the problems that we were having with our previous internal knowledge base. What made me work with Zingtree was we were finding that our onboarding time for new agents was very long and drawn out. It was taking 90 days to really get them ramped up on everything they needed to know. And Zingtree was able to shorten that onboarding time to about 3.5 weeks. So going from 90 days to 3.5 weeks for new agent training. The problems with our previous onboarding process was that the amount of knowledge that an agent had to acquire was so vast, and it was ever changing. So it was really hard to keep our lessons up to date. With Zingtree, we're able to put an agent in front of Zingtree. It's always relevant, the information is always fresh. And now we can pivot our training to focus on soft skills like empathy and active listening, and leave all of the process management training to Zingtree. Zingtree has become essentially our #1 tool in our tool stack. Our agents live out of Zingtree, and that's been able to help us sunset or get rid of some of our other knowledge-based tools that we were using before. Way less time spent in Slack, Google Docs. Zingtree is where everything lives. Zingtree is not only just our process management tool, but we also use it for agent scripting. And we're starting to build an emerging case for sharing it with teams outside of CX. So able to go to our legal team or our risk team and to have all of our processes documented for them. So from a regulatory and compliance piece, that's really important as we're a financial services company. Zingtree's been really fascinating because it's helped us highlight where we have inefficiencies as well. If we were noticing agents were spending a long time on a node or visiting a tree frequently, that was feedback that we were able to take back to the necessary parties. So for instance, with our product team, we could see if there was points of friction in the user experience that they could help eliminate at the source, and that would stop driving inbound contacts for us. So it's been really monumental that way. Zingtree has definitely helped advance my career as a CX leader because I'm able to tie all of the operational efficiencies we've gained by using it back to ROI, which has been a really compelling case for me to make, especially as I expand my team and I'm able to easily make the business case for doing so.